Good day, my friends. Pwalpar coming at you here today with a combination Pwalpar vlog, a YABO and a railroad corner, and a teleprompter project update. I'm going to squeeze a lot into one video today. Thanks for tuning in. Good day, viewers. Walter here. Give me a drink of water. Them pills I take sure does dehydrate me. I wanted to begin today's video with just a few comments. I'd offer you a piece of candy if you was here. I've been eating a lot of these little round butterscotch flavored candies. I think it's got a touch of salt in it, but I eat them anyway. I'm not supposed to have any salt with my hard diet. I wanted to begin today's video to say I'm really sorry that this project I'm working on is taking so long, but it's been quite a drawn-out learning process. I mean, I could just go online and copy other people's videos, but I don't believe in doing that. I'm trying to come up with my own design for a teleprompter. And I'll pause right here at this time and show you what I did last night. This is what I got done so far with my teleprompter. I got to come up with a bracket to hold it at the right angle. Got to have a block on here for my camera to hold it. Got an idea for that. But I moved my homemade camera quick release more to the center of the board. Actually a little bit forward of center. So it's a lot more balanced. It's still going to be heavy on the front side because my Android pad, Galaxy Tab E pad, is pretty heavy. The only thing going to be back here is the camera and whatever holds the camera. Still going to be a little bit heavy on the front, but we're making progress with this project. I appreciate my viewers tuning in to watch my project. I've had a lot of helpful suggestions, comments. I was getting ready to come down here and start on my project today, and the mailman came a while ago and brought me this project. So let's include a YABO in today's video. Well, the candy sure helps me from being dehydrated, plus it tastes really good. This is from Eddie and Carrie. I got their address covered up so you won't be able to see that. Anyway, Eddie and Carrie, your package is received and greatly appreciated. Now, I cut the tape off of it when I was upstairs. I cut through the tape. I have not opened the package. I have no idea what it is. So you're going to see at the same time I am what this booger bear is. That don't want to come out. I don't want to rip the box. I guess I might have to. Oh well. Okay. I recognize that material. There couldn't be a thing in the world but a welding jacket. Let's hope it fits my big hind end. We wore these quite a bit in the shop on the railroad. That's great. I will put it to use. What does it say? Tillman lightweight 30-inch jacket, flame retardant cotton. One of you, Eddie, must have seen me welding without a welding jacket on. More than once I caught my clothes on fire when I was working at the railroad. It's a Tillman lightweight 30-inch jacket. Flame retardant, protects from neck to below the waist. Cool, comfortable, and washable. Thank you, my friend. It's greatly appreciated. I wasn't expecting it. Now let's model it for you. Oh yeah. We're going to do some welding with this thing on real soon. Oh, wait a minute. Camera zoomed in. I was standing too close to the camera. I'll put it to good use. Thank you, my friend. I greatly appreciate it. I bet you anything in the world he was watching my video that day I caught my shirt on, my flannel shirt on fire and burned it up on camera. I'm not going to try to put it back in the box. We'll hang it right over here. Now that I've made all that spiel, let's read his note. From Eddie and Carrie. Walter, please have a safe and happy new year 2020. Please keep these videos coming. I especially enjoyed the videos of you working around your lovely home in Georgia. I remember the video of you setting your, I told you it was my flannel shirt. I remember the video of you setting your flannel shirt on fire, and I hope this fire retardant welded jacket prevents that from ever happening in the future. I hope it fits. I have one. I wear it when I'm working on my farm tractor or just puttering around the yard. Stay safe and happy. Thanks, Eddie. I recognized the shirt as soon as I opened the box because I've worn them before. Railroad used to supply them to me. Today I'm going to tinker with my video. Today I'm going to tinker a little bit on my project. What I have here in my hand is, I had some more somewhere, can't find them. It's a light that goes on a railroad crossing signal. It broke, but I made good use of it by hanging on to it in my junk drawer. And this plastic piece here comes off the back of them lights. You can put a bulb in that thing and it'd probably still work. There's a metal bracket goes with it somewhere and I don't know where it is. But I thought about this thing here. It's nice, sturdy, heavy-duty, reinforced plastic. It ain't nothing soft or cheap about it. My idea, say this is a camera, put a screw right through here and just mount the camera right on there. It's going to be about the right height to mount the camera on. If not, I can shave it down a little bit till it gets to the right height. Now I got to come up with a way to attach it to my board. And this is the board. If I put a big block of wood, the right size, on the piece of wood, and I set this over it, seems like I could just drill 2 holes on the side here and run a pin all the way through it, and that would secure my camera from falling off. When you want to take the camera off, you just pull the pin and lift it off with this is still attached to the camera. I just got to drill a hole in here with a 1/4-20 bolt. Be nice to have a wing nut. Probably can find one at the hardware store. Thumb screw, 1/4-20 or some kind. And just put that right on my board. That's a pretty neat little way to raise your camera up. Unless I come up with some better idea for a quick release, that's going to be incorporated into my project. Now, wouldn't it be nice if I could get this thing working? Put it up here on the railroad corner, and then when making a railroad video, we could just have it flashing. In fact, let's incorporate that into the railroad corner right now. Maybe I can find the rest of the parts. While I'm looking here, anybody know what that is? It's a blue light, a personal blue light. They issued them to us on the railroad. I should explain blue lights to you. A blue light on the railroad means stop. Men are in this track working. We had the lanterns, just like this one you see on the wall up here. We had lanterns like this. Instead of red, it was blue. Some railroad lanterns are clear, blue, yellow, or red. So today's video is turned into a combination railroad corner and project continuation, and a YABO. We're squeezing them all into one. Anyway, I was talking about the blue light here. The blue light, you know, the lanterns come in blue, so you would hang it on your blue flag that you stick up at the end of the track to warn anybody coming with a train or a cut of cars not to come in the track, because you're in there working. Well, this works on the same principle. If you're out walking in the train yard at night and you got this thing pinned to your vest and it's flashing blue, maybe they'll stop. It's just a safety precaution. It's got a magnet on the bottom. It takes one flashlight battery. Someday it might be a collector's item. I doubt they even use those anymore. Anyway, unless I decide to continue more on this video, I'll pause it at this point, and I'll either upload this video or add more to it